Whakalofla hia tuhane de valatala te tupu ge lata mai awhiawhi nei. Good evening. In our news bulletin for tonight, ko whakamole ai he whakatawhanu ke whakangahua i malikisi ha ke whalo tau tupu hau mai lolo o Ela Pinsini mo e ti solo pia fuki mo e tau koloa tapaka. Government has approved tax hikes for fuel and tobacco products to be implemented at the beginning of November, leaving some asking for justifications behind this decision. Whakatū e taha mtakawe ke toa e tau a kaukai mo e whakakoe te whuata ke tau puhalanga ho whanua mo e manamanatu whakapisinisi. A new community garden has been developed as an outdoors classroom for youth training in farming and entrepreneurship. Liliu mai matakau Rockvets ke langwatai do man he motu kai manako ke kumpuhala ke whaimatu takianga mo e tau tangata ke mailonga mahuinga ke liweki ke tau manu. Rockvets program continues, but they look at ways to get community engagement. Kua hoko mai tua e mga hala ke lata mai tua whāmu e whakamanau tua i ke tangata ke nono fo mau tau siuse. Cyclone season starts and the public have been reminded to remain vigilant at all times. Whakahoko e taha whakatātā ke haunga tukulunga ke manamana te tau whānau ka lautura tonga hua anuiha. A Careers Expo at Niue High School gives students an idea of options for future career pathways. Ka mata ni mahina fō mo e whakangahua i whalua tau tuku hau he whakatawhanu ke lātai mo e lolo o Ela Pinsini mo e ti salo pia foki mo e malikisi hake e tau koloa tapaka. Malonga koe tau tuku hau koe whala tuku hala mo tupi mai whakatawhanu mo e whakakisi manatua i foki whalu tangata ha koe manako ke i loa mahino e tau kakano ni kua mana kisi malikisi hake. Koe whakailoanga ni moa mai he whahine le veki atu e ke tau lolo o Ela he motu, nā kai la whai hikianga ia ke tau tutungi tauri mai he tau wāwhia hongfu matolu, mai uta whoki ke he whiwhirianga he whakatawhanu. Whakakisi manatu whoke whahine le veki atu e ke tau tangata pusieka he motu, kua whai mga aho he uta kehe ai e tau langmatai ke lātai me te Pinsini halu tolu, mai ka eke ke malikisi hake, tō lau iai e tau whahi pusieka, ko lo tolu ne hani ke tātua e tangata o whenonga e vaeva ke whiwhiri, koe maike na kai ke fua e lo tolu e tutungi. Pia whoki mo lo tolu ne whakafua e tau ika ke to tangata tō malikisi hake whoki e tau tutungi. Na mena ni kua tupe e matakau niwha ha kua nā kai la whai whakamāmaanga poke kakano ni kua tupu ke mailonga i he to tangata. Koe hane amana ki noa ni si malikisi hake he mga hotonu nei. Koe ua e tāla limungu furu e sene he Pinisini kua malikisi hake ke ua e tāla onong fu mawhai sene. Koe hong fu mawhai sene he malikisi hake. Koe tau tupe ia. Ono e sene ka tuku atua i ka lata mai Pisinisi ne whakafua e Pinisini. Lawhia i ki lunga fuki tole sene mai tau lewikianga ke he tau puhala tu. Koe lime sene ka lata i mai tau lewikianga he whahinga hua pau whio. Ka koe ti solo kua hake mai he ua e tāla limungu fu malime sene ka hoku atu ke ua e tāla onong fu maono. Wai hong whamatahe sene malikisi hake, ono e sene ia, ka whina atua e ke whahi o ke Pisinisi, ne whakafua e Pinisini, mai lime e sene ke lata mai lewikianga ke he tau koloa e whahinga hua. Ka koe tuku hau mai tau koloa tapaka ne ko malikisi hake whoki, koe tahana puhala nei ke lali ke tukutuku he fwe tau numela tangata, ne ko ula tapaka, mui tua i ke tahama veheanga ne whakamolia he whakatufono, he tau uafe mai lima. Koe whakafuanga he tapaka ke mga honei mai he whale whakafuakawa he whakatufono. Ua fuma vole tahala ke lata mai ua furu e ka tapaka, mai tōrung fuma lima e tahala ke lata mai ua fuma lima e ka tapaka. Aha iei whoki to hikianga ke he to tapaka ne ko mai ke ta mai ni silani, koe whakangufua ni ke limungu furu ka tapaka, po ke limungu furu kuleme he koloa tapaka ne ko whakatā ke ta mai e he tahatangata ki niwe. Nā kai mahino he mga honei, koe lahi whewhe tau whakatau he tau tapaka, mai he tau whalikoloa tunga Alice mai Central Services. Amana ki ke moa whalua tau whakalawulahianga e whahi tapuka hau, mo ia i kipole ni liweki atu e ke tupe, ke iloa e tuang whoki e tupe kautu, me tau kakano ni kua whangahuai e tau tuku hau nei. Government approved tax increases of the fuel prices and tobacco products was implemented on the first day of November. And people are questioning the timing of the hike in prices so close to the festive season. The Bulk Fuel Division issued a notice on Monday, and by Wednesday the new prices were enforced, leaving many without much choice, especially with only one fuel station or retailer on the island. In a release, Bulk Fuel noted that Niue's fuel prices had not changed since 2013, but the public want more justification about the reasons behind this move. The increase in petrol from $2.50 to $2.64 is up by 14 cents, where 6 cents will go to the retailer. 3 cents from that 14 cents will go to top up the road user levy, and 5 cents return on investment. For those who travel from the outer villages in current deteriorated states of the roads are questioning whether the road user levy is sufficient or is going into the maintenance of roads. For the diesel, on the other hand, it has gone up from $2.55 to $2.66, an increase of 11 cents, and the retailer's margin goes up by 6 cents, a return of investment of 5 cents, and there is no mention of a road user levy. There are bound to be impacts that will be felt by those who live further away, but also some service providers on the island. In a statement from the Niue Island Fishermen's Association, the president said that for members who operate fishing charters, they will have to decide if they can absorb the costs themselves in order to remain competitive or pass it on to the customer. However, for members who fish and sell their fish to the public, they will have no choice but to increase their prices. NIFA are concerned at the lack of a reasonable explanation regarding this fuel price increase. As of yesterday, there was also an increase for tobacco products. People were given a bit more warning for this increase since it was announced in October. The price of cigarettes purchased from the Bond store in Alofi would now be $28 for 20 pack and $35 for a pack of 25. Duty has also been removed from all tobacco products. There are also 2 private businesses who sell tobacco products, that's Central Services and Ali's, and they are yet to confirm their prices. Duty-free sales of tobacco and tobacco products has been removed, and there are also restrictions on cigarettes travellers are allowed to bring through New Zealand to Niue. Passengers are only allowed 50 cigarettes or 50 grams of tobacco, and these laws will be enforced at the airport by the customs officials. We will bring you more on this story next week in an interview with the Minister of Finance and to find out the financial status of government to date. Wala lim da ka Niue food processors ke whakahoho e tau fuata ke tau puhalanga hufunua whakapisnisi, mai whakatua e tam da kawi ke tō e tau akau kai. Pesini koe pōwanga i e matakau, kai long e tanga hua ni kua manako ke tau se, ke whakalaula he tau loto matala, he tau puata, mai tau whainga hufunua foki. Whakamama mai he takitaki ko Inga Mokole e hanga wanga he matanga hua nei.
Koe matakau Niue Food Process Association, koe matakau nei ne whakatū he whahinga hua he ngahua whanua. Ke lango matai ki te tangata ke tunge kupu whakapālangi add values to the produce of the tūru ke motu. Ke whakalaulohi ka ha e tau whakaongaanga he tau mena kai he tau tūru. Si koe matakau nei kamata he ua tau kua moli. Mo ngā hua whakaneena mau tūru ki ai e tau matakau. Ke lata ia mo add values ke moa, ke whaura puhala, ke whakatolo mua kia ke tau mumui tangata ke he motu nei. Pia whoki ni mo e tau entrepreneur ka hae lahau he tau pālangi. Po ke whaka oho he tau whanau he tau tōru, ke mai ke tause tau mena whangapihi nei. Siga mena ia he development he Food Process Association, mo e monuina, ha kua olea mau tōru ke he whahi leo ne toka e warakirekere nei. Si taria whiawhia lau tōru, ha koe olea mau tōru ke lata ia, mo e whakatupua ki anga, ke lata mo e autu hau whuata.
Ko manuina whakalau tōru ha koe taha matanga hua ni koe amanaki ke tause, ke tālanga e tau koloa whakatalu melia kele, ko mai ke tause whakalataha mai whakau nei, ha koe tau tupe lang matai mai he USAID. Ne hoko mai e hukui he officer USAID i New Zealand ke kisia mata e tau puhala, ka whakaonga e tau tupe, we amanaki tō lahe aonga ke lata mo e tau whanau whuata, kai ke kua kau whakataha.
Tō e whanau whuata e mona i ne riri umai he watu ki Vanuatu, ko NSEC ke mo Nifai, ke tau puhala whakasese moko. Si koe tau mena iha mo tūru ni ono ki ai, mo ono ki ngā hua kau whalataha mo e niofa, mo e hama mana ki whoki ki ngā hua kau whalataha mo e matakau he National Youth Council. Ke mea ki ngā hua oloa hako ki sia whoki mau tūru tau puhala, ai kau tū he ngā hua toko tā. Ka e tōla he furufuruala mo e ngā hua, ka eki ki ngā hua whakawhiheri aki mo e tufa e tau pulotu ke moua ke moua te mana pihini.
Ka mata halau tōle tō ngā hua me whakameanga he matakau i tāta atu e ke wharipipui, ki hau whaiu me kua mole, kai manako ke whakaonga e tau puhala tuai koe ke i fuki mo taha whakakuanga mai tau atu hau.
Tōla he e whakaue mo e nāma atu ki he US Embassy. Ko lau tōru ne tuku atu ha mautōru tau tohe ori, tunga e tau fundi e tau grant e ne whai ta mai. Tuku atu e mautōru e tohe ori ki ai, si whia lau tōru ke whakatupe lau tōru e tau machine, ke tau usea ke tau compost. Si mai lau tōru mui e tupe ia, ke langamatea, si whita whoki whiwhine he hoko mai he whaita puka mori, hako manako ia ke sia, ko whakaonga whakamori ni kai mautōru e tupe. Se ka mene ni furufuru ala ai, hako hoko mai mua ia, ka ala hoko mai tupe. Si mai eke mea mautōru ke tā e whakahoroanga, mo e whakakise hanga e mautōru. E tau mena no kua matauka ai kia mautōru ke tau se poke whakatoro maki e tau ngahua. Si whia lahi ai mo e whinatu mo e tamai tau report hana ka ha, ke mo tau puhala ke langa mataia ke lautōru e matakau nei.
Koe manako he matakau ke ngahua kau whalataha mo e whalu matakau I whawhai whakatuwhono, tunga matakau whakasese moko, mai matakau he tau fuata. A new community garden is being developed at the prison farm grounds at Whenuakula as an outdoor classroom for youth and organic farming. The Niue Food Processors Association are taking the lead to help build entrepreneurial skills amongst young farmers.
This project comes out from the Food Processors Association, which DAF, Department of Agriculture and Fisheries, supported us in terms of adding values to our produce here on the island. So they have set the Niue Food Processors Association. So now we are registered as in corporate society. So now we're taking a step forward in terms of looking at ways how to develop the organization. So this is one of the first things that has come out in terms of now we are able to develop it. And we thank you to the police department who owns the land and allowed us to work on it, to use it in terms of helping young farmers. And now we have made connection with Niofa, organic farmers, and now we're working closely with National Youth Council in terms of supporting the young people, of becoming entrepreneur and being business mind.
The initial groundwork started last Saturday with the clearing of the land for the garden, but the group have opted to use more traditional methods as a learning opportunity for youth involved.
The work is not a big issue in terms of our way of thinking. It's a matter of getting the young people and nurture them in terms of their thinking. So that's the whole important thing, and we try to revive that Niuean concept is kinitolo. So we try, working together in a way. So we're trying to build that relationship. If we're able to make connection with the young people, then they will start to understand in terms of utilizing what we have and turn into business is for the development of the nation and of the community and of the young people.
It is hoped that partnership with other non-government organisations like Niofa and the Niue Youth Council will strengthen the movement and get more youth engagement as the project moves forward. Kua liriu mai te wai tawa ke kāwho lamata ke tau manu I ki Niue ke whāhi tapu nei, ke e whai on wanga ke tau kumkumianga ke tau puhala ke maike ke ngā hua whalataha me tau tangata he motu ne whakatutala ke ia ne langmata ia te wai ke tau whakaroanga Rockvets ke he tau nei, hangau ia ke halu tōla tau whakaroanga.
Whakaroanga nei he mtakau Rockvets, ko e maunga e ni tari mai mone ka mate alo tolu he ngā hua sport, ka mone ka hako whaingoa talo tolu ko e Rockvets, o mai ke la mate tau manu, tunga tau kuri, me tau pusi, e lata ia me tau kuri tāni, me tau pusi tāni, ko mai lo tolu pritome, me tau kehe tau huhua, ni kua whawangolo tolu hake whanau ai, ke longa atu hatu manu atu whoki. Ka lata me tau manu whiwhine, kua pritome whoki lo tolu ke whaosi e whanau. Mo e Longa fo ni to mana lo tolun kwa mai ke tau se ke lata im to manu nei ke turu ye to kutu ha na tana nga we hanwa ke sia he longa to manu to tole motu me longa to kutu me folo nga foki
Ka mate whakawanga nei he tau ua whiwalu, we mda kau sport, o mai langa taha he tau, ke he tōle tau e kua male ni hiki ai, e hingoa ke he Rock Vets niwe.
Mena o mai ni lo tolu langa taha he tau, uho ke tau ne kua mai ke langa ua ke ai lo tolu. Ka e anonanga lo tolu ke tau hau, koe ringa riu ni ke he riu mai ke langa taha he tau. Skua tuku mai lo tolu e ka tofa e ke au nei, ke mai ke au ke la matai e te tangate motu te tolu. Moi ha mena noni ka kua kai ke kua tupu e ke tau manu kuri ko tau manu pusi.
Whakakano ni ko tau se ai e whakaholwanga nei ke kisia te puhala ni ko mai ke ai tau e ke kafo, ke lang matai ke tau malolo seno he tau manu he motu, amina ke lau tolu ke liu mai he mahina ha Novema he tau ka hau. Moi tuk whenonga atua e ki nisila ni haha pungi. The Rock Vets team is back in Niue to provide free healthcare for animals, and this time round the team are looking at more efficient ways for sharing information and working in partnership with the community. The free healthcare program started 8 years ago with SPOR, but 3 years ago the group changed its name to the Rock Vets Niue.
The last 3 days we've been spaying and neutering animals presented to us, cats and dogs. We have also been doing a few pigs. Animals that are spayed and neutered, much easier to control. So the benefit of that is that we're not getting unwanted litters of puppies, unwanted litters of kittens, which then create problems for here on the island. We talk about ownership of a program. We are only providing a service, and that service is veterinary surgeons, nurses and lay staff coming to help the program. What we need from is ownership per se, not sort of ownership of the program, but ownership in the responsibility of ensuring the program is successful. So if you've got animals that need to be treated, then present those animals for treatment. And I think long-term wise, ownership in the fact that you've got a beautiful island here. What we don't want to see happening here is what's happened in a few of the Pacific Islands, certainly in Southeast Asia, where we've got a large number of unwanted animals roaming the streets, getting into the rubbish, biting tourists, spreading bacterial diseases, spreading parasites. And so the ownership then is really just sort of throwing the responsibility of how the program is running.
The clinic was set up at the Department of Agriculture for the last 4 days, and they have spent time desexing, treating fleas and worms, as well as other health issues that they have come across animals on the island. The team will be departing the island tomorrow, returning to New Zealand, and they will return to Niue in November next year. Ka mātatua e mga hale doa whā ke mahina neha Novema mai tū mau ni e tau hata kiang e whāhinga hua fufuang matangi ke whakamanatua i ke tangata ke nofo maua mana ki ke tau mga aho osi. Ko tau fufuang e galata mai mga hala nei ke tū toko lalo i numela whā ke tupu i ke Pasifika ka amana ki ke malulua tufuki e tau whā. Ko mga hala a whā kua mole mai he mahina Novema ua whahong whamaono e mahina apelila ua whahong pafitu we ua ne matangi a whā ne moe ke atu Pasifika. Koe whahe fufuang matangi i whisi ni leweki atu wai ke tau whikau he Pasifika, moe fuafua e lau tōru e whā, ke he ono e a whā ni kua linga ke lauia e tau atu motu, ni kua leweki atu ki ai, moe fuafua ke taha, ke he tōru mai he tau a whā ia, ke hokua te te malolo, ke he mela tōru, po ke runga atu fuki. Kua maua mina ke whahe fufuang matangi, ke whakiloa ke tau tangata ka eke, kua whai matangi malolo. Mga hale he tau a whā, ka mata i hao taha i Novema, The official cyclone season started yesterday, and the Niue Meteorological Service has advised people to remain vigilant. Although cyclone activity within Niue's vicinity is expected to be below average this season, precautionary measures are encouraged as there is a possibility for elevated activity and intensity. The previous cyclone season from November 2016 to April 2017 resulted in 2 cyclones present in the Pacific. The Regional Meteorological Service Centre, Nandi, Fiji, stated that 4 to 6 tropical cyclones are likely to occur within their area of responsibility, with 1 to 3 predicted to reach Category 3 or above status. Niue's Meteorological Services stands ready to provide essential weather warnings when necessary for all stakeholders and village communities in Niue. Cyclone season is from the 1st of November to the 30th of April. Koe hau nei le whakahoku ai e taha whakatata ke tau pisinisi me tau whahinga hua whakatuwhono ke hau takolunga. Ka mātai he mta uru he tau e whakaroanga whakahoho ai ke tau whaiaonga he hau takolunga ke tau ngahua ke kehe. Niko mai ke tau whanau ke mua kai ke ko usi mai tau aonga. Koe hau nei toko ono e pisinisi me toko hewe e whahinga hua whakatuwhono ni kau whakataha ke whakatata. Tala hau mai he tahe tau tangata langwatai ko Glenn Jackson ko whiawhialaha lau tōru hako ki sia e mana ko he tau whanau ke tau whakatata e tau pisinisi mo e whakatawhono. Koe tahina puhala ni ko mai ke e tau whanau aonga ke whai ono anuanga ke lata mo e tau momui ngahua anu iha. Today, the Niue High School held their annual business expo at the school hall, where the hall was filled with different displays from government departments and from private businesses. Throughout the year, every fortnight, a group of departments have a careers day at the high school with the purpose of encouraging students to choose a career path. In today's expo, there were 6 private businesses and almost 10 government departments with displays. According to one of the business expo organizers, Glenn Jackson, the program was set up so students have a fair idea of their career paths, and today was successful because each student went away with some information. The business expo was organized by the school and ended at midday. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. We do hope you can join us for our next news bulletin next week. May you have an enjoyable weekend ahead. Pena e te wala tātu tupu ni ko mō mai ke lātu e whiwhinei, amina ki liriu whirwea penei fōki whai tapukahau. Ke mnui nei uki o ka tapu ni hanga o tikai, ke ranofwa, muni ne pō tō liriu ke whirwea.